Welcome to
Quitting with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And mine is Andrew.
Today we're in Minecraft Education Edition out of Code Escape Estate. So in the last video we went to the side rooms and unlocked the cannons. And now we have this time portal. So let's see what we have to do with code.
The time agents are underneath this time warp. They've used their powers to create protective colored rings around it. Use the activate cannon function to activate the colored cannons in the same order as the colored rings to disable the time warp. The activate cannon function takes one parameter that defines what color cannon you want to activate: blue, yellow, magenta, and green.
Okay, so the protective rings. So the outside is blue, and then it's green, then yellow, and then magenta. Okay.
Then it's just the time.
Okay, so let's go to code. So this is the code example.
So first is blue, so the code example first fires the blue cannon right there. And then it's gonna shoot blue, and it broke the blue ring. Then next, gonna do
the yellow,
but it's wrong because the next ring is the green one.
Okay.
So you can see that Banshee, since he's blue, he has the blue ring. And then when the blue ring burst, he fell down.
Okay.
But it's weird that Rascal doesn't have a ring.
He's the boss.
Yeah. So now first is blue, which is right, and the second one is green.
Okay.
So we're gonna change it to green, and then we're gonna do the same with the other functions. Activate and we're going to do yellow. And then the last one is magenta. And then we will break all the rings.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's run the code. Right. And we should break all the rings and protection that they have. So
blue.
First, the blue cannon. Boom. So now magenta gets knocked out. Next, the green one. Boom. Then there's only two more rings. The yellow one. Boom. And now the last one. It's gonna shoot.
Boom.
Boom. And now there are no more protection rings.
There's only Rascal
there.
Oh.
Oh, he also got knocked out. And the time warp disappeared. Terra. Look, the time agents are stunned over the time orb chamber. Now's our chance. If we can rotate the magnetic disc beneath the floor, we can reverse the polarity and trap them here once and for all. So let's say I'll break this glass or something.
No, we have to move it.
Okay, and then they will get trapped in there
forever.
Okay, so now let's see the code. Activate the trap. Now is your chance to capture the time agents. Enter the center of the boss arena and look down. You'll need to align all three rings with the center colors of the trap to activate it. Use the rotate ring function to rotate each ring either clockwise or counterclockwise to align all the colors. All the rings are outer, middle, inner, and valid directions are clockwise and counterclockwise.
Okay, so let's see the code example. Let's go.
Ooh. So there are three rings, as you can see, and you have to align the colors or the numbers.
It's the colors with the middle. Okay.
So they all have numbers on the columns. Okay, so we fell, but whatever. Let's see what we have to do.
Okay, so let's go to. So first, let's see. It rotates the outer one, the outer ring, clockwise. So let's see what that does. Okay, so it does that.
Okay, so that the first two lines of code are good.
No, you have to align with the center colors. So, the outer ring will have to move one side clockwise. Wait, counterclockwise or clockwise? Let's see. Yeah, it has to move counterclockwise. The outer ring has to move counterclockwise once. Okay, so let's see.
So counterclockwise?
Yeah.
Okay, and then
let's see. The outer ring should be. Okay, so the outer ring is good.
And now we have to do the middle one.
Middle ring. So
the middle ring is also good.
Oh yeah, it is.
So now we'll just have the inner ring. The inner ring we need to go
either counterclockwise or clockwise twice. So it doesn't really matter. Okay.
So we're going to go rotate ring. What is it called? The middle?
Inner
ring. And we're going to move that
clockwise.
And we're just gonna repeat that 2 times. Inner and clockwise. So now we should
Inners.
have aligned it.
G. Okay, let's see.
Okay, so the outer 2 rings are aligned, and then for the final inner ring.
Okay, puzzle solved.
So now they should be tracked.
Boss completed.
Trophy unlocked.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Ooh, so now we're in the
us.
middle. And we're gonna get out of the glass. And then we're gonna get sucked in.
Oh.
Or the thing will pop out. Now they're getting
sucked in.
So now they
the
went
speared.
in, and now they're trapped in it. Tara, you did it! You really stuck it to those time agents. Or should I say, you really stuck those agents to this time. Haha. Sorry, I'm still working on this thing you call human.
She's a robot.
Time agents will remain here to think about what they have done. As for you, come with me. I will show you the way out.
Let's go.
So now we
Wow.
escape from the mansion. Congratulations, your coding skills saved the day again. Who knows what trouble the time agents will have stirred up if they had escaped the estate. Well done. There's still one question I have. Those diary pages, where do you think they came from? We still don't know who they came from.
A guy pop out.
It's the actual Dr. Brigowski. They
Oh.
were from me, Dr. Dodge Brigowski. Those temporal troublemakers lured me into this place too. I've actually been trying to escape for weeks. Whatever you did in there helped me finally find a way out. Thank you.
He's an old guy.
Yeah, he was always old. I'm glad you're safe, and I think we've heard the last from the time agents for a while. Now please, let's get out of here. This place gives me the zeros and ones. So, Dr. Brigowski, about those million emeralds. Sorry kid, I'm broke. Would you settle for saving the world and a cookie? After all, the original Dr. Brigowski was the time agent. So.
Yeah, the
So now,
her face. Oh, it's a big mansion.
it's Rascal.
Oh no.
Did you see
The
Rascal
end,
in
yeah.
the window?
It's so
Rascal.
creepy. So creepy. Just zoomed up. Okay, so that's all.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today.
Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.